Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Nissan Murano guys and you need to remove and replace your key fob battery, stay with us guys. We're going to show you how to do that, everything from start to finish today guys. It should cover the years from year 2008 all the way to 2018 guys. If you have a key fob that looks like that, shaped this way guys, the video will work for you guys. You may have the 3 or 4 button key fob, key remote, but it doesn't matter guys, the procedure will be the same. If you need to buy the battery, replacement battery, well, we have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. So this is what the key looks like. Okay, let me show you. This is what the key looks like, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and replace the battery on that Nissan key now guys. Not too complicated, it takes only like a minute to take it completely apart and replace that battery. So let us show you guys how you can remove and replace that battery. Really simple. So how you do that? Okay, usually if your key dies guys, you know how you open the door on your Nissan vehicle? Simply guys, okay, you're going to slide that button up. Okay, slide it up, and you're going to pull your manual key out. Okay, and you can unlock your door. In order to replace the battery, you need to do that anyways. So now guys, how you take it apart? Okay, if you come on the side right here guys, there is a place where you pry the key open. Okay, like that, it comes apart, and on the inside guys, you find your key battery. Okay, right here. How you guys get the key battery now? Pretty simple. You need to come in an angle. Okay, like that, get it out. Okay, and now I get the new one. It's very important guys to situate it right here. This is the positive terminal of the battery guys. Go in an angle like that and push it in to make sure that this metal piece goes around the battery. Next guys, next step, align everything really good. I mean really good aligning. Push it in. Okay, until you hear a click. Okay, perfect. And after that, all we have left is we need to go ahead and insert the key. Okay, you can see just like that. And that's how we guys remove and replace the key battery on Nissan Murano. If you guys need help with anything, let us know guys. Please leave a comment below. That's how we get the idea of making videos guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful and we'll be able guys to save you some money and teach you how to fix your car for free. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.